Okay, well, I decided to finish the rest of them. I had a different setup at first. I should have videoed that too, but this works super slick. This is a pipe vise, and for these little motors, they fit right in there. The longer ones are easier. You got to be careful with these. These are the tough ones because they're the same size as the chain essentially. But that 7-inch grinder eats them pretty good. Just hit one side, then you got to reset and hit the other. I just thought I'd show that setup. That's the main thing for all scrapping. Save up a bunch, make a good setup, power through them. Works good. Should have lots of copper with this new over $5 board price. It's looking pretty good here. Okay, got those done. I'll weigh it up and add them on the, well, maybe the picture back there, we'll see, but that thing worked pretty slick. I'll tell you what, I did, 5 times as many of those yesterday, and I was about sick of it. So I used 4.5-inch grinders, electric ones. I had 3 of them going, changing batteries out left and right. I don't know why I didn't grab that 7-inch grinder. Holy crap, did that make it go fast. Wearing earmuffs and face mask, and you just got to have that extra safety for this stuff, guys, because one accident, one cut, one hospital trip, even all that copper don't make up for it. So take the extra time to be safe. Yeah, we'll do some more after this. Okay, hopefully we can hear with the wind. Yeah, I got a lot of little motors there. These little ones, cut all those ends off. The metric there is at least 1/3. You can see how thick some of them are, and that's a little end, so you're looking at 4 times the money of some of those. Some of them are right at half though. These real thin ones, there's more windings on the end than in the middle. Oh, that's a good example on that one. Yeah, that's more windings than in the middle, so that's not quite 1/3. But I'd say on average you're at least 1/3 on the little motors. Cut all those little ends off. That's 39 pounds of ends. I'm looking for kind of a metric, make sure it's worth it to do the little motors. That's a lot of cutting. The big ones are easy. That's definitely easy money. Cut those off, pull it out. And that one there, we got 29 pounds, and that's just the ends of that bottom one. Those 2, and that one there. I think there's only equivalent of 4 ends in there. And that's 29 pounds. So on our bigger ones, you're probably over that 1/3. So 29 pounds, I'd say 1/4 for easy math, 120 pounds just on those big motors. And they were big ones, 15, 20 horsepower, maybe a 10. But all these are little fan motors out of air conditioning outside, the condenser pumps and fans. Yeah, that should be fun. It'll add up. That's a good start, huh? You helping, Leo? Yeah, definitely helping.